Some cars change the game, but only one rewrites the rules of speed, silence, and science. Meet the 2026 Rimac C_2 EVO, the next evolution of the world's most advanced electric hypercar. Faster, sharper, smarter, and still untouchably insane. Welcome to the future. Welcome to DriveVerse. The C_2 EVO builds on the iconic Nevera silhouette, but with a more aggressive edge. At the front, redesigned active aero vents now morph with speed, while the headlights feature plasma edge laser projectors. The new liquid carbon body reduces weight by 80 kg while adding structural rigidity. Side fins and vortex channels are integrated into the panels, blending form and function seamlessly. The rear gets a full-width OLED taillight blade, and a reworked active diffuser that literally grows with speed. Every inch screams velocity, even when it's standing still. Let's talk numbers, because the C_2 EVO lives in another dimension. Underneath, 4 independent electric motors deliver a monstrous 2,150 horsepower and 2,750 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km per hour, 1.82 seconds. Top speed, 422 km per hour. Each wheel is controlled individually via Rimac's RAWTV 2.0 torque vectoring, giving it spaceship-like agility in corners. This isn't a car, it's a supercomputer on wheels, programmed for performance. Powering the beast is an upgraded 120 kWh solid-state battery, cooled via a carbon liquid sandwich thermal plate. Range, 620 km WLTP. And with 600 kW Ultra DC fast charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in just 9 minutes. It even supports bidirectional charging, because why not let your garage run on your hypercar? Step inside, and the future greets you with minimalist brutality. You get a 3-screen wraparound cockpit, carbon-sculpted bucket seats, and ambient AI-driven lighting. Rimac introduces Hypermode, where the screens sync with speed, suspension, and driver brainwave data. Yes, it has a neural sync dashboard, gesture control, real-time telemetry, adaptive ride memory. This car doesn't just know the road, it learns it. Each seat is 3D printed for the driver using biometric scan. That's not comfort, that's calibration. Silence never sounded this good. The EVO uses multi-frequency synthetic audio zones that simulate engine feedback based on speed, torque, and G-force. You can switch between stealth mode, hyper resonance, or even simulate V10 growls. The 360 degrees sound system is tuned by DVLET, with glass panel resonance amplifiers built into the windows. Level 4 autonomous capabilities mean it can track lap itself, brake drift, or even overtake autonomously. Rimac's latest Cortex AI system includes lidar, radar, thermal imaging, and deep behavioral learning. But don't worry, the C_2 EVO still wants you to drive it. AI assists, but the thrill stays human. The 2026 Rimac C_2 EVO isn't just the next Nevera. It's a new chapter in what an electric hypercar can be. Faster, smarter, lighter, louder, without making a sound. Built in Croatia, designed for the cosmos, this is what happens when you stop chasing Ferrari and start chasing physics. Subscribe to DriveVerse, where machines meet imagination. Drive smart, drive electric, DriveVerse.